Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and we're going to see if we are going to have a bull phase inside of the bear market. Can we have it? Yes, we can. We are going to talk about every detail. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin doing? Lower highs right here, same lows. We have talked about the importance of the 28.7k being our support level. Okay, we talk about it every single time. Right now, what are we going to have and what are we going to do is eventually to see, are we forming a descending triangle right here, or is this a part that we go all the way higher? I would say that we have some chances into seeing the descending triangle, although this is a biased top trend line. I have to explain what that means. It means that I have connected this top with the bodies of the candlesticks and not the upper shadows. For example, if you want to connect the bottom or top line, you go from the upper shadow to connect its upper shadow of the previous high. For example, if I had to connect this, it would be like this one right here. So we have gone above, you can see that, right? So eventually it is a little bit biased. If I had to take this top, for example, and I had this line, so yeah, we have gone just above. So in terms of this, it isn't a descending triangle, but if I'm being a little bit biased and do that, then yes, we could possibly have a descending triangle, but this has 25% chances of it to happen. I have to tell you though this fact, and maybe we do it, but the most probable scenario right there is to go higher. It is for Bitcoin to go up very much higher into the 31.8, and now according to the latest data we have many chances of seeing the 33.2k as well, although 31.8k is the most important resistance level and it stays right there. According to the latest data, we could potentially go towards the 33k and so on. As for BTC, right now what are we having in the lower time frames is that we are holding the 20-day MA and the 50-day exponential moving average as the support level. You can see the 1 hour frame right here. It is looking good. Okay, the stochastic is going down while the price remains sideways, not looking so bad. On the 4 hour frame, if we go there, you will see that we are having a little bit of a situation where we go sideways with the RSI. We cannot agree where are we going. Can we go upwards, for example, and break this 70, or can we go downwards and have a descending triangle? It is very crucial for us to see that. And of course, what are we willing right here is Bitcoin to progress, of course, even higher and to have a swing high of relief. I know for many of you these situations are boring, but trust me, crypto market can be boring and it could take long until we decide whether this is a descending triangle or we go higher. I think that we are going to get higher and I feel like the time is coming already. Okay, by the end of May, we will know what Bitcoin is going to do. Ethereum against USDT, on the other hand, is looking very weak against Bitcoin. It isn't having this much strength that we want to see from Ethereum, and we want to see it going even higher. We want to see this altcoins dominance starting right now, but we are not seeing anything at all for now, at least. Okay, so BTC against USDT chart right here. What are we hoping for and what do we want for BTC is, of course, to just keep going higher. We have gone above the 50-day MA. It was our selling moment. Now we were above the 50-day MA, selling moment again. Now we are between the 20-day and the 50-day MA. We are going to have a volatility pretty soon coming in and kicking off. Opening the Bollinger Bands, you can see how close this squeeze point, these lines are between each other, and this is a channel where we are seeing that the volatility will come and we are going to have a huge momentum on the volume as well. Okay, so the thing right here to notice is that we are probably going to go above into the 31.8k, into the 33.2k. We are going to have the swing high of relief. On the weekly frame, you can see that BTC is on its 9th week, actually 8th or 9th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th, 9th week of bearish movement. But anyway, in overall, I think that this is kind of cool. We do not have, unfortunately, bottom tweezers on the weekly frame. If we had bottom tweezers right here, then we should expect a crazy run, but we missed it for some cents. Okay, we need to have the exact same lows in order to have the bottom tweezers. You never know though, we might be having that if we go a little bit further down and then pump up inside this week. But anyway, for now we do not have it. So BTC right here, everyone's talking about a swing high of relief. Actually, not everyone. Many people are talking about this being bearish and we go further down. I feel that the most probable scenario is to go upwards for BTC right now. I do not think that BTC will have a crazy momentum, right? Like it is going to 40k or so. This is not my case right now, and this is not my take. I like to take everything step by step because you can see that you can get wrecked in such a short term. Okay, you just can get wrecked without knowing it. So it is better to take it step by step and always remember to put stop loss. No matter what you do, no matter what you have, put always stop loss in your trades, because it is very necessary to put stop losses, and so you won't get wrecked for quite a long time. Okay, because many people that didn't put stop loss, they are just now staying with the money they have, and they are just investing right now, and they are being patient. But this builds your patience as well. Okay, if you didn't have a stop loss and you're now at a loss but you haven't sold, congratulations. This is what you should be doing in a bearish market. You should know that if you have done a mistake, you need to bear with it and not to abolish it and not to sell your altcoins in a crazy devastated lows, because when you sell, some others buy. And when we are seeing many sellers step in, be certain that the time will be coming and we are going to see an uptrend. Okay, so this is it for now for BTC. These are the latest updates for Ethereum as well. Ethereum is going to follow the Bitcoin trend. We do not have, according to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, something crazily good happening, at least for now. Okay, and of course 28.8k 0.8k is now the price that we are floating. We are going to go sideways probably between 20-day and the 50-day MA for the next 1 hour to 2 hours until we see this close, and then we are going to decide what BTC is going to do. I really hope for the best and to go above even the 33.2k, but we are here to make every single update on Mind Your Crypto. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.